Hello everyone and welcome back to the Code Syndicate. In this video, we will be discussing about data types in Python. Python has primarily 8 types of data types. Number 1, text type. Number 2, numeric type. Number 3, sequence type. Number 4, mapping type. Number 5, set type. Number 6, Boolean type. Number 7, binary type. Number 8, none type. Before we start, we need to know that Python is a dynamically typed language. Dynamically typed means that the type of a variable is determined only during runtime. And in a life cycle, a variable can store multiple type of value. Let's see how we declare a variable in Python. To declare a variable in Python, we write variable name equals and the value. Remember, variable names are written in snake case. That means no capital letters and characters except dash. And not to forget, we cannot have variable names starting with a number. Let's store a number in a variable named num. So num equals, let's say, 20. In Python, we do not need to take care of semicolons. Instead, we take care of indentation. We'll talk about that later. Let's print this num using a print statement. To print this num, we write print inside of bracket num. Let's run the code. Before running the code, let's see what we have in this Python folder. Here you can see we have this main.py inside of our this Python folder. So to run this main.py, we write Python. If you are in Windows operating system, you can write Python main.py. And if you are in Linux, you need to write Python 3 main.py. Here you can see we have got 20 printed in the output. As I have said, Python is a dynamically typed language. So we do not need to specify what type of data this variable num will be storing. And also that in a life cycle of this num variable, it can store multiple type of data. Here you can see this num is storing an integer, but it can store a string type as well. So let's see this num equals hello. Let's print this num again. Run the code. Here you can see we have printed both 20 and this hello in the output. That means this num variable is storing a integer and a string type as well. It means Python variables are capable of changing the data type. But how Python managed to do so? Let's see this in the next video.